Hello viewers, it's Relic here. What you see there is 250 grams of, there you go, 250 grams. So, you see it? And what I'm going to do is put it into 250 grams of flour. Now I'm just going to drop them in a cube at a time. Now the secret to this is try and keep the butter as cool as you can. Right, what I'm going to do now is I've got some cold water there. I'm going to add a little bit at a time, and there's about 300 ml there. And just mix it in to get a nice dough mixture with the butter. I'm going to be pretty quick with this. Very sticky this. Very sticky, so always have some water handy for washing your hands or whatever. Okay, what I'm going to do now is don't worry about making a mess. Get some flour on the work surface here. I don't want that to stick. Okay, I'm going to get that out. Okay, and I'm going to very quickly knock it into a manageable block. Okay, so like that. So, okay, can you see that? I'm happy with that. That's a block, and I can manage that now. So what I'm going to do is while it's like that, in that form, I'm just going to wrap some cling film around it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes, okay? At least 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, so over the top with it, right? Okay, and just pull it over. Now then, just watch this. It's very important that you make sure this is sealed. You don't want it drying out. You have to keep it moist. That'll do it. So you can see that. That's going to go in the fridge now. Right, nice block there. It's going to go in the fridge that now. 30 minutes. Right, viewers. Half an hour's gone by, and I'm taking my block out now. It's very sticky this. I'm saving that cling film. I'm just going to put it to one side. I'm going to be using that again. It's going to be a bit sticky this. So again, don't be shy. Get some flour down. Get some flour down. Yeah, don't be worried about a little bit of flour. It's that cheap. Okay, so I'm going to just make sure it's not too sticky this, and what I'm going to do now is just going to bash this. Bash it. So, what I'm looking to do now, pay attention, you get this too. So, oops, bit of butter there. I'm going to be looking at what they call a butt fold. So, top to middle, bottom to middle, and fold it over again. Okay? Okay, happy with that. Still a bit wet this, so it's going to need some more squashing. So don't be frightened of applying pressure. Can you see? Okay, apply pressure. Get some flour on your roller. You don't want it sticky. Okay, you don't have to be exact, right? But you're looking to try and keep an oblong shape. Okay. So again, top to middle, bottom to middle, fold, okay? And you get some flour on it, You don't want it sticking to your top, your work surface. You don't want it sticking to your work surface. Okay. Trying to keep that shape again, look, using my hands, not frightened of it. Squash. And roll it in. When we're on your rolling pin, roll it out. It's looking good already, this. So again, top to middle, bottom to middle, butt fold, turn it round. Get some flour on it, and stop it sticking. Okay, keep it a shape, a block shape. Okay, squash. Okay, rolling it out. Flour on your pin, roll it. starting to see the marbling now. It's looking good, this. Looking good. Okay. So again, top to middle, bottom to middle, up, fold, up, fold. Okay. Any butter that comes to the top that's not got flour on it, just roll it over. Don't be frightened. Put some more flour on. Won't spoil it. Okay. Starting to look the part now, this. Okay. So, squash. Just squash it out. Squash it out. And then get some flour on your rolling pin and just roll it across. Roll it across. Oh, that's nice. You can see the marbling now, look. You can see the marbling. It's really, really, really nice. That. I'm happy with this. Looks good. Don't be frightened of it. It's not going to break. It's not going to sell flour. It's all flour. Top to middle. Bottom to middle. Bug fold. Okay. Now then. We're nearly ready. You can see the marbling now taking effect. Now you can put some pressure on. Oh, it's gorgeous. It smells good as well if you like the smell of butter. Okay, look at that marbling. So, top to middle, bottom to middle, book fold, turn it round. And I'm just going to squash that down. And I think that's great. I'm happy with that. I am really, really, really happy with that. You can see the marbling of the butter, and that's ready to go back in the fridge. Right, viewers, I'm going to wrap this up again. I'm using the same cling film that we used before. It won't be a problem. Again, right over the top, pick it up. Don't be gentle with it. It's only a piece of pastry. It won't die if you're too rough with it. No let break or snap, and it won't kill anybody. Okay. There we go. I sealed it. It's not that it is going to dry out, but the marbling, that is absolutely fantastic. Yeah. 30 minutes in the fridge, and then it's ready to roll out.